All right, hi Alex. Hope this email finds you well. I'm here looking at the code you shared with me. The dancing pig still driving me crazy. Weirdest thing ever. All right, anyways, so I wasn't exactly sure. The ones that are in test.battle, those would be the ones that I see here. So I didn't use anything from battle test folder. I just tried these test.battle. So I made a test.battle package in Eclipse. And then inside of there, everything is okay except this monster attacks has some errors, right? So that didn't work. So then I thought maybe I needed to use the other monster file. So I went inside of here, and then there was another monster file and stuff. But I tried that, and that didn't help. I still got the same map, not the same maybe, but different errors. So I guess I wasn't really sure how to do it, but for sure this file monster attacks is not compiling for me, so I'm not able to run it. All right, hopefully that clears it up. I'm not sure what it looks like on your end, but um, maybe we got to figure out which files we're using exactly. Maybe I have a different version of Monster than what you want. This one looks pretty complete. The Monster, so I must be using this one. Looks like it's got a lot of stuff in it. Um, so I don't know. Hopefully that helps. Um, yeah, email me back if you have any questions.